If you ever wanted to take a piece of Lewes and Bloom home with you, well, now is your chance. I am here with Sue Crawford. She's a former co-chair, but an active member. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Of course, yes. Obviously, you could see there's not a lot of tulips bloomed right now, so the dig up is coming up soon. But for those who don't know, what is that community dig up?
The community dig up will be on April 25th, a Saturday this year. We usually do it during the week, but for some reason we think we need more people.
Yeah.
So what it is residents, visitors, you all are welcome to come and dig up all the tulips that have been planted and the various parks. There's only about 8 parks, I think, where you can dig them, but they're yours for the taking.
That sounds like a great community event, especially the fact that you guys get to take those flowers home after you dig them up. What time does this all start?
Oh, well, it starts at 8 on the dot, not a minute or a second before.
Yep.
But you can come early and plot your ground where you want to dig. It's really fun experience. You get to meet neighbors. There is some competition, but it's fun. 8 o'clock on the dot, we time it, and you're off and digging.
Nice. And you mentioned competition. I'm a little bit competitive, so I'm curious, what is this competition all about?
It's just that it's, in some places, there will be 4 or 5 people surrounding maybe a dozen tulips, all wanting that particular variety. So, but everybody really cooperates. It's a friendly competition.
Yes, friendly. We keep it friendly and community-based, obviously.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about, for those who are interested in showing, do they need to bring anything? Do they need to bring their own materials, or are they provided?
They definitely should bring a bag. No shovels are allowed. You do bring trowels to dig them up. They're fairly easy to dig up. Hopefully we get some rain that will make the ground softer, but they're pretty easy to dig up. So.
Awesome, yeah. And have you heard any community feedback from past digging tulip events?
Well, they keep coming back, and it's a fun time. It really is. You got to treat it as a fun experience.
Yes, so. And just to learn a little bit more about you, Sue, how long have you been with Lewes and Bloom?
I've been with Lewes and Bloom for about 10 or 11 years now.
Wow. So you've had a few of these dig ups that you've experienced on your own?
As a participant and as a monitor. Yes.
Do you have any fun, like, standout moments or favorite memories of your own?
Well, the thing I just remember is people over in Z Park. There were like 20 people around this one plot. Yeah. And when they got there, they were all real aggressive, and then they started talking, and by the end, when it was time to dig, everybody was like, oh, well, I'll take these and you take these. So
that is very touching. You really see the community all come together for something, a shared love that's beautifying the community also.
Right.
Go ahead.
I was just going to say that most of the tulips, if you want these tulips, they only are good for about 2 or 3 years in subsequent plantings. And you can either plant them as soon as you dig them up, or if you want to keep them in a cool place and not plant them till winter, the fall, you have options.
That is good to know. I'm glad you brought that up.
Yes.
And for those who are interested in coming to this event, if you can one more time hit on the details, the dates, where they can come.
It's Saturday, April 25th, 8 a.m. We strongly recommend that you get here no later than 8:30 so you can get your tulips.
Yes. And if they can't make this dig up, is there any other way they can get involved with Lewes and Bloom?
Oh, they can definitely become members if they like gardening. Even if you're not a gardener, lots of us in Lewes and Bloom are real amateurs, and we've learned so much. It's just a wonderful organization. Our volunteers are absolutely amazing.
Yes.
Absolutely. So.
Yes. Well, Sue, you're absolutely amazing too. Thank you so much for coming on today.
Well, thank you.
Of course.
Take care.
Yes, CoastLife, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of community, and something that you get to take home for yourself. That's what makes this Lewes and Bloom community dig up so special. But you can see what makes CoastLife so special if you stick around.